to Barrack Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this great value Mitsubishi Outlander ES in that beautiful red diamond. Now starting at the front, I'm going to walk you through and show you the features you get on this Outlander. Now it is on almost no kilometers, so I'm not going to actually spend any time on the condition, but as you can see on that front grille, you do get a very nice chrome front grille there with the chrome Mitsubishi badging. The dynamic shield look in the front end of these new Outlanders is absolutely stunning. It is a nice rounded front end. Nice sharp headlights here as well with the daytime running lamp in them and the projector beam. Now making our way along to the driver's side, the alloy wheels in this car, you do get the multi-spoke alloy look. It does quite nicely contrast with that red diamond paintwork. Now, indicator is built into the quarter panel there. The mirrors are color matched along with the door handles, and you have got that black trim down the bottom as well. So very well designed. Now, something I'd highly recommend you do, because the the ES model does not actually get any window tint or privacy glass, is speak to us about the premium window tint options we have. Now, that is going to give you a premium window tint with a lifetime warranty and some great UV and heat reduction benefits as well. On the inside, Outlander does get some very comfortable seats with an electric bolster adjuster, your height adjuster, and the backrest adjuster as well. So very comfortable setup there. Now along the paintwork, once again, not actually going to spend any time at all on the condition. It is a effectively new car. Now on the back, as you can see, you have got the reverse parking sensors and the reverse camera. You've also got the high mounted stoplight and the rear wiper. Now in the back end, being the 5-seater, you do get plenty of space in the back here as well. And under the floor, there are a couple of storage compartments, which is good to know. The spare wheel is just underneath the vehicle. Now, closing that back up, keep making our way along to the passenger side. Fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, being the safe side, which is always good to know. Now, the great thing about the Outlander is these back seats actually fold completely flat. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to actually do that. You can just fold them down just like that. So very easy to actually fold these seats down. Lean those back and we'll put that seat back in place. Now guys, as you can see, very good looking SUV, especially in that red diamond. It is an awesome purchase and great value as well. So please do talk to us about the glass coat. That's going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork and keep it protected for as long as you own it. Especially on a red car, that is something you're going to want to take advantage of. Speak to us about the benefits of it and we will walk you through the full inclusions of that. Now what we're going to do is actually pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Okay, taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is Mitsubishi's iconic MY20 engine. It is a 2.4 litre 4-cylinder engine, and it has got a CVT transmission, which means it is a very smooth drive. ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars. The power output from the engine is 124 kilowatts, and the torque rating is 220 newton meters. The petrol fuel tank holds 60 litres, and you can run it on your standard 91. And the combined fuel consumption, depending on your driving style, is about 7.2 litres per 100. Taking a look inside the Outlander now, on the driver's side door, you do get your power window controls, so they are all automatic up and down. Above that is your central locking and your window lock button with the toggles for your mirrors. Now on the right hand side of the steering wheel, you have got the forward collision mitigation and lane departure warning. They are features that you would find in the ES ADAS, so it is a safety pack, that ADAS pack. So if you want more information on the MY20 safety systems, please ask us about it. Just up here as well, you have got the headlight adjuster to change the angle of your headlights. You've also got your stability control and the menu button for the menu between the clusters. Right hand stalk here has got your indicators, your fog lights, your dusk sensing headlights, and your automatic high beams. On the left hand stalk, you've got your washers and your rain sensing wipers. Now on the steering wheel itself, the right hand side here does have your cruise control, which is adaptive, so you can change the distance it'll follow the car in front. You've also got a speed limiter option there as well. On the left hand side, you've got your media and hands-free call functions. Now in the center display, you do get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this new 8-inch display, so plugging your phone in with a USB cable will give you the option to pair your phone up and use your smartphone apps on there. Now it does also have AM and FM radio plus your Bluetooth connectivity. Down the bottom here, you do get your dual zone climate control, so passenger and driver get their own temperatures if they want. and down here again you've got a 12-volt socket, the USB input, and your eco mode if you wanted to save some more fuel. Just in here as well you've got 2 cup holders, your leather wraps shifter. You've also got an electric park brake, auto hold, which we'll explain to you when you come in as well, and your 4-wheel drive functions. You can switch between 4-wheel drive, lock, eco, or auto. The center console, when you open it up, it's got plenty of space in there, and behind the center console you have got those rear air conditioning vents. Now, as I said, not actually going to spend any time on the condition of the vehicle, but you can see it is a very nice layout inside the Outlander. It's a very comfortable SUV and feature packed, being the ADAS edition. What we're going to do now, guys, is actually jump outside and wrap up the video. So much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful red Outlander. Now, as you can see, it is an awesome value vehicle. So ask us about how we can help you accessorize it with a few genuine accessories and help you customize it to how you want it. Now, the glass coat will give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork, so you're going to want to take advantage of that. And the Platinum 1 program, which this car does qualify for, will give you another 5 years on top of your new car warranty with $5,000 per claim, and the 10 years of premium roadside assistance. It's awesome value and a great way to keep your car protected. It is going to be a long-term investment for you. Now, guys, if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to tailor a package to suit your needs, which will work in all those options for you as well, into repayments which you are comfortable with. So, guys, if you have any questions, give us a call on 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.